How much will 10,000 KASPA be worth in 2025? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be covering KASPA once again, and I'm going to be telling you some price targets which I believe are very reasonable for KASPA to reach in the future. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. Guys, if you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see, we have got multiple trades right over here which are all in profit, and this is what we have been doing time and again and again. And if you guys want to achieve similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys join up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to KASPA and let me show you how much $10,000 in KASPA is going to be worth in the future. So guys, right now we are on the Coins Perspective website, and this is an amazing tool in order to calculate how much our investments can be worth in the future. So guys, as of this moment, the price for KASPA is roaming at about 0.05. Its overall market cap is at about $1 billion. The circulating supply is at about 21 billion tokens, while the total supply, or say the max supply, is 28.7 billion tokens. I believe the tokens are a bit on the higher side, but this is not going to be a lot of problem because KASPA is gaining mass interaction, and when it gains a lot of traction, this is going to be really helping for the project in general. As of this moment guys, and as of the current price levels, 10,000 KASPA, or say $10,000 into KASPA at the current price levels, is going to be getting you roughly 200,000 KASPA tokens. Now this is a huge amount. I personally hold somewhere around this mark as well, but actually I hold a lot more tokens because I had invested at lower price points. But if I had to invest into KASPA right now, this is the amount of tokens which I would have got from investing. So I believe this is a pretty decent amount to invest into a new project like KASPA, which is going to be witnessing its first ever bull market rally in the next coming few years. I believe the bull market is going to be starting from somewhere in April 2024, because that is when the Bitcoin halving is going to be happening. And we oftentimes see that as soon as Bitcoin halving happens, just 3 to 4 months beyond that, we see the bull market happening. So that is when I think that KASPA is also going to be pumping to beyond your heights and beyond imagination. But yeah guys, that is a thing for somewhere else. Anyways, now if I move to the price targets, I personally only have two price targets for KASPA in my opinion. Now the first price target which I believe KASPA can achieve is for KASPA to reach a market cap of $75 billion. Now guys, if KASPA gets to a market cap of $75 billion, one KASPA would be worth approximately $3.50, and this will give us an upside of about 71x on our money. Just to get into perspective, $10,000 invested at the current price levels is going to be worth roughly $720,000, which is a huge part of money wherever you live in, whether you might live in the US, whether you might live in UK, or any other tier 1 country out there. I believe this is some serious money, and you guys can achieve it by investing into KASPA. This is what the price levels say. Now, I believe KASPA can go even beyond 75 billion, and there is a strong reason behind that. So guys, as of right now, the major networks which we are using for doing transactions are going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, don't get me wrong, but Bitcoin is already too outdated, and Ethereum is very slow, and it has a huge transaction cost attached to it. It is also moving into a system where it is getting more and more centralized, moving away from the decentralization concept, which is upon which the whole cryptocurrency meta is oftenly built. KASPA removes all of these problems. It is really fast. It is achieving some higher speeds as we speak as well. It has very low cost per transaction. It's close to zero, if not zero, but I believe that this is really good, and this network is also fast as well. That is why I believe that once a lot of people get attached to KASPA has a potential to reach a market cap of roughly $100 billion. Now, this is still not going to be overcoming the market cap of Ethereum and the market cap of Bitcoin, but I see KASPA to be a top 3 project in the crypto ecosystem, and this is how I'm getting to these price points as well. So guys, if this happens and KASPA gets the market cap of $100 billion, one KASPA would be worth approximately $4.77, and this will give us an upside of about 95x on our money. Now, this is really amazing because just by investing $10,000 at the current price levels, you guys have the chance to become a millionaire, or say close to a millionaire. I mean, if you guys are able to invest $10,000 into a project like KASPA as of this moment, you guys should already be having $40,000 to $50,000 in your bank account, or in your spare, in cash, in gold, in silver, or any other investment out there. So I mean, KASPA has the potential to make you a millionaire, and to answer that question, I would say yes, it does. But guys, don't get too overcomplicated with all of these calculations, because these calculations tend to go very wrong in the bull markets, because people think that if KASPA has reached a market cap of 100 billion, then it only has to reach a market cap of 200 billion to give them a 2x on their money. But what all of these people forget is that as of right now, if KASPA reaches 100 billion market cap, and if we bind right now, we have basically 95x our money, while those people are waiting for a 2x. We might not really like to take that much of risk and just cash out. This is what happens with retail investors time and time and again. Now, even if we look at KASPA, you will be able to see that the early investors are already up by about 243x on their money. However, the new investors out there are going to be still buying right over here, waiting for the bull market to come into play, and this is how the cycle really begins. Because if a person has already got 243x on their money, and imagine the tokens, or see the amount of tokens they are going to be holding, so it does not take a big math scientist to conclude that if they decide to dump this project, they can do that in an instant, in just a matter of few seconds. And this is a major problem with all those cryptocurrencies out there. So I would like to say that be careful, don't take any sort of trades out there without doing your proper research. However, if you guys want to skip all of your research, and if you guys want every advice on the crypto for yourself so that you guys can start making some serious money, make sure you guys follow my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only about $30 per month. However, I believe the value you guys will be receiving is going to be beyond any $30 which you guys have ever spent. I'm also planning to increase the price of my trade signal group and also rebrand it to an absolutely new group. So make sure you guys join in as soon as possible while the price is still low, because the price is going to be rising very soon. It's going to be in the next month. So make sure you guys are on the lookout, and make sure you guys join up as soon as possible. Once you join my group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto market and are making some serious money from the space as well. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.